This is where we have drawn the Fibonacci, and it is in this golden zone now. Okay, let me see how I can change the wick of the symbol to session regular trading precision. Okay, 2 decimals. Time zone, yes. Bells and lines. Countdown to bar close. Yes, Nifty is breaking. Yes, breaking the 800 levels. Yes. Now it's time for me to consider an entry of 24,700 put. Okay, it is breaking. Yes. Okay, so 24,700 put at if Nifty is Nifty breaking this level. Yes, it should be breaking this level of this level. Yes, so I'm entering at entering another 300 quantity. Okay, at 67, I mean 66. It will definitely hit 66. Yes. Okay, so I'm entering at 66, 67 range. So 66 is where I am entering. I think my order should have been hit by now. Didn't I place an order? Yes, I have placed an order. Yes. It came down to 66.5, but chalo, I'm fine. It will come to 66, I believe. My God, I came down all the way to 66.25. I saw 66.25. How bad is that? Okay, chalo, anyway, I'll just modify this. Okay, modify this to 67. It will hit 67 at least. 67 is still on the cards. Yes, 67 is still possible. So my SL will be at 67 to 60 will be my SL. This still hasn't hit the target. That's really bad here. It came down to 66.25. I saw 66.25. Anyway, my entry is at 67 for 24,700 put. Okay, so 24,700 put of this week's expiry, of tomorrow's expiry. Okay, expecting Nifty to go from, since it is breaking the 800 levels, all the way to 700 levels now. Okay, expecting weakness in Nifty. Nifty just keeps going down, but the option isn't performing so well. But I expect the 67 range to be hit. Okay, I may just even miss out on this one, but still it's fine. This is our prediction. Okay, our entry is at 66. We have modified it to 67. Right, exactly at 67. Okay, 67, and our target can remain to definitely 82. Okay, 82 and 83 can be our target. Okay, coordinates I will move it to 82. Okay, 67 to 82 will be the first target, and I am placing a stop loss at 60. Okay, it's not 59.5, it is 60. So my order is at 67. Okay, so 67 to, so I may lose 2100. Very much fine with the first trade I have taken. After the first trade, we have taken 27% profit. If it hits the stop loss, no problem. So I am someone with a FOMO. Okay, it is a fear of missing out. Okay, so I'll just modify this order. I'll just modify this order and place it at 69. Okay, coming down to 69. I'm just watching it out. Okay, 68, coming down to 67. Should hit 67 now. Our entry is at 67. Yes, it has hit 67. Yes, happy for that. It has hit 67. Now our first target will remain, target 1 remain at 82. 28 to 22. This is our target 1, and the next target, as we did in the first trade, we will just trail our stop loss. Okay, 67 to 82, 15 points. That is also close to 20%. Our SL. Okay, I'll also mark the SL here. I have to do that. This is my SL. This is my target 1. Okay, so how much is it? What is the ratio? This is the long position. Okay, so this is the target, and this is the stop loss. So the put to, so the reward, risk to reward is two times. Okay, so for every single rupee risk I take, I am getting 2 rupee reward, which is a good thing to have. Okay, so currently, yes, moving to 73, finding strength. Okay, the put option is finding strength, and because 800 is taken out, now only I see 700 as the next support, with also the previous candle. Okay, the candle of Nifty, this candle from Nifty is solid bearish, breaking out the 0.382 as well as the 800 levels. So no reason why it should not go to 700. It should be going to the 700 region. This is our expectation. So this is trade 2. Okay, we already had trade 1 for today. Okay, this is the second trade. Yes, going to hit 82. Yes, I am ready to exit. Okay, so this is the second trade we are running now. Entered at 67, currently at 78. Okay, a proper analysis. Now I am ready to exit half of my quantity at 82. Okay, I am ready to exit half of my quantity at 82 because that is where my 20% initial target is. Okay, to book profit and just to be safe. So this to yes, 82 will be my first target. It went to 89. Okay, I'm happy there. I am just placing a market order at 88. Easy target hit. Okay, and the next I am just trailing my stop loss to now. My new SL will now be, yes, 75. I'll keep it to 75, the bottom of this candle. Okay, I am just closing this one. The new SL can be 75 and I can just trail the stop loss. So target 1 is now achieved. Okay, target 1 is achieved and we are going for target 2, which will be somewhere, I don't know exactly where, but we will have 24,700 hopefully soon. Nifty in. So again, let me tell you, do not look at your positions portfolio. Okay, just look at the value of the option and the Nifty levels, because if you look at the positions or your P&L, you will think like, okay, this is the profit. Okay, will I miss out on this profit? Will Nifty go back or behave against me? Okay, so you will have all those sort of things. Okay, so this is our current live position, as you can see, all of you can see. Okay, entered at 67, holding 150 quantity at 102 now, expecting Nifty to go to 24,700 definitely. Now my stop loss now will be 85. I am just trailing my stop loss to 85 now. Okay, I'll just keep trailing my stop loss. Okay, so this will be my new SL at 107, 108 now, expecting Nifty to hit 730 levels. If Nifty is hitting 730, okay, close to 730, I am definitely exiting the rest of my quantities. Okay, so this is currently our profit now. Okay, at 108, 150 quantity. Okay, 9,000. So this is a healthy return. It's a good return for today. It's a good premium spike in 24,700 put. So 85 to 90. Okay, so I'll keep it at 89. This will be I'll just keep it at 89 because Nifty may do a small retest and then pull back again. So I'm just giving it some buffer space. Okay, if Nifty doesn't go all the way to 730 just like that, if it is taking a small while, then it might come to 90 also. So still 67 to 90. It's a 23 rupee, which is 30%. As you can see, parallelly Nifty is doing its thing from 800 to 24,700 Nifty. So our second trade for the day, okay, trade 1 was around 27%, trade 2 even better, and 24,700 will also mark the low of the day's low. Okay, so it is marking the day's low, which means that will definitely act as a support, is what I believe. Anyway, I am exiting the rest of my quantities at a near 120. Okay, so exit 2 quantities at 115, 120 is my target, 120. Okay, 127 now. Okay, 128. So that's where I am exiting. Okay, I am just telling you this is at 135.37. Now I am exiting this. Yes, as you can see, 133.28. That's where I have exited, and I have made a profit of 13,000 from and invested 300 into what 60 from invested 20,000. Okay, so 20,000 invested, made a profit of 13,000. Okay, which is not bad. Was that 60%? Yes, 60% catch. Okay, so this was our trade 1. Okay, this was trade 1, and we have exited this. Okay, we have exited this trade 1 at this much, trade 2 at, yes, trade 1 this much. Okay, this is trade 1, and trade 2. For trade 2, I think we have, okay, what did we do? It was 24,700 PE, 22nd May. We did a ride from 67, right? From 67 to 85 to 133 or 134. Let's leave it 133. Okay. So this is not 27% profit, I'm sorry, this is what? So an average of 85 on 133, 40, so 20. So average of 105, 67 to 105, 40. So that is 60% profit. Okay, I'm sorry, it is 60% profits. Yes. So this is what we have done today.